Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's quick fix tutorial video is looking at loop components, but specifically looking at them in Outlook. Stop sending version after version of the same email just to update a list or status. Loop components in Outlook let everyone edit the same content right inside the email thread. Let me show you how to do it. We have this weekly status update, and we can see that it is being shared with multiple different people. So if we all responded, we would then have 4 different emails in this conversation. Instead, we're going to insert a loop component that can track our different progress in all of these different tasks, and they are going to be updated in real time. So I'm going to go ahead and reply to Faye, and I'm going to insert a loop component. I must be in my email, and I'm going to go up here to loop components, and then it gives you a list of options, and I'm going to choose the progress tracker, and I'm going to call this weekly status update and give it Friday as the due date. This progress tracker is a great start. It gives us a work area, an owner, status, end date, and any blockers. We can also look at it as a board or a calendar. We can sort, we can filter, we can export it to Excel. So I'm going to go ahead and add in some work tasks. Now I'm going to send this email to Faye, Miguel, and Amanda, and they are going to then be able to add in their different statuses. So I sent that email, and I can go back and look at my sent items, and it appears right here, and I can see that Miguel and Amanda have added in their different information, and I can see that Amanda is currently being blocked, waiting on HR to finalize the copy. I can copy this component, and I can place it in other Microsoft applications like Teams. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So I have all of us are on this chat, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit paste. I can go over here to in progress and change this for ready for review, and we see that in real time it has been updated right there. So this is going to be very helpful in reducing the amount of emails you have and the ability to stay on task or on other subjects whenever you're working inside the Microsoft ecosystem. So next time you need to share updates or quick collaborations, skip the attachments, drop a loop into your email, and keep everyone and everything perfectly in sync.